Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a cream cheese pie crust. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a half cup of butter, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of half and half or whole milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. While it's possible to do this by hand, I recommend a stand mixer. We'll start by mixing together our 4 ounces of cream cheese, half cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of half and half or whole milk in our stand mixer on medium speed using the dough hook attachment. Once the first 3 ingredients are combined, we'll add our tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Then slowly mix in our 1 3/4 cups of flour until a shaggy dough forms. Scraping down the dough is necessary. Once we have a shaggy dough, we'll transfer it to a floured work surface and knead the dough until it just comes together. Then we'll divide it into 2 pieces. This recipe is enough to make 2 single crust 9-inch pies or 1 double crust pie. Once divided, we'll roll out our crust, flouring generously and turning as we go, until we have a rough circle about 10 to 12 inches in diameter. Then we'll fold it into quarters and transfer it to our pie dish to use in our favorite dessert pie recipe. If you're only making a single layer pie, you can freeze the remaining half of the dough. I'm going to cut off all but about a ½ inch of my excess dough. And for this particular pie, I'll fold the remaining dough back in on itself and flute it with my fingers. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.